In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your Shopify store header. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional search bar right in your header using either your theme editor or a Shopify app, so customers can find products faster and you can improve conversions. Let's start with the built-in route using your theme editor. From your Shopify admin, head to Online Store, then Themes. Find your current theme and click Customize. This opens the visual editor where you control how your store looks. On the left side, locate the section labeled Header and select it. Within the header settings, look for an option related to search. Depending on your theme, it might be called Search, Header Search, or something similar. Toggle that option on. Many themes let you choose the placement too, so decide whether you want the search bar next to your logo or alongside your navigation menu. Aim for a spot that's visible but not crowded. When you're happy with the setup, click Save to apply your changes. After saving, preview your storefront to make sure the search bar appears where you expect and is easy to use on desktop and mobile. If your theme doesn't include a built-in search bar option, or you want more advanced search features, you can use a Shopify app. From your Shopify admin, go to the Apps section and open the Shopify App Store. In the search field, type a phrase like search bar, and look for reputable options such as Intelligent Search and Filter or Ad Search. Choose an app that fits your needs, then follow the prompts to install it to your store. Once installed, open the app's settings. Here, you can customize the look and feel of your search bar to match your brand, adjust the colors, size, and style, and enable it to appear in the header. Many apps also let you fine-tune search behavior, but for now, focus on making it visible and consistent with your design. When you're finished, save your customizations. After publishing those changes, the search bar will appear in your header as configured. A quick tip as you wrap up. After enabling your search bar through either method, refresh your storefront and try a few test searches. Check for readability, ensure the placement doesn't overlap other elements, and confirm it looks good on mobile devices. That way, you'll catch any small adjustments early and deliver a smooth shopping experience. That's it. 2 reliable ways to add a search bar to your Shopify header. Save your changes, preview your store, and you're ready